IPD Black Friday 2019. So come down to IPD and gobble up these deals. I got oil filters, I got distributor caps, air filters, end links, torque mounts. I got the magic up in this warehouse. Fly! Oh! Deals on wheels! Ever seen a wheel this gorgeous? This Black Friday brought me rotors to match my new sway bars!
Joe, you're freaking killing me here, man. I know it's November. I asked everybody to get on board for Black Friday, but that doesn't mean that you have to go out and buy a dang turkey suit, man. Why are you wearing a turkey suit? I got staff members out there trying to take you serious. You're out there trying to lead by example. We got parts to ship. We got a huge sale coming up. You're taking this way too literal, man. It's time to get out there and get to work.
Well, first of all,
Hey Kevin, did you hear about the new spring components and stuff that we have on sale this November?
Joseph,
Black Friday is going to be amazing.
I'm on the phone, bro. You gotta wait.
Tell them what's going on.
I'll tell them.
Tell
Just
them.
calm down. I'm so sorry. We've got a really overzealous warehouse employee right now that's super stoked about our sale prices we're gonna have this weekend for Black Friday. It is gonna be awesome, and I really apologize for that interruption.